So it is now changing the color because we take rice flour in a large amount. That's why it is in a light color, because they are granules time to taken to dissolve in the water. We are also take iodine solution, but it is expired immediately. It have lifespan, short lifespan. That's why we will take the iodine granules for taking the experiment for a next year of classes. So now you are all watching, it is changing the blue black color. That means you can say carbohydrate present in the rice flour. So we take the rice flour here and adding the iodine granules and also water. Stir it in watch glass. So this is called watch glass. This is a spatula. Stir it with a spatula. Then it converts into the blue black color because it have the carbohydrates. Either we are also called the starch. So to identify starch is present in the component of food, we will take the iodine test. So instead of iodine granules, we can also take the iodine solution. So we are adding more iodine granules because we take large amount of rice flour. That's why we take the more iodine granules. So they are also dissolved in the water. So you can observe blue black color in the watch glass. So egg have proteins. For that we are doing the protein test. For that we will take egg
sodium
and also sodium hydroxide pellets. We need take to dissolve the water solution. We will take sodium hydroxide pellets dissolved in the water. Don't touch with the hands because it is itching our hands. Then we will take the copper sulfate. Also make the solution of the copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. So we will take the copper sulfate preparing the copper sulfate. So we add 10% of the sodium hydroxide. So now we are adding 10% of the. So look at sodium hydroxide, it is dissolving and also it is burning because it reacted and released the heat. That's why it is very hot when we touch it. So that's why don't take with the hands sodium hydroxide pellets. So add the So it is a large amount, that's why we can separate. We can take 10% of sodium hydroxide and add 2% of the copper sulfate with the protein. Then it is turned into the purple color. Now you are all looking, purple color is present. Purple color. So it is a thick color, purple color. That's why it's have more proteins. That's why our government is providing egg in a midday meal. So you can look at. So it is a thick purple color. So like that also form a groups. I will give you copper sulfide and sodium hydroxide pellets. So first form groups. So it is a egg white. What is it? Egg white. It have proteins. Enti the proteins. Only leaders. Go and sit your group. Come ma. Sai, sit. Ramya, come here. So you provide 4 sodium hydroxide each watch glass of the group. Monica, come. You pour copper sulfate, half spoon only. You can fill full spoon. Stir it with a pencil, ma. Stir it with a pencil. Stir it with pencil. Pencil. Stir it with pencil only. Stir it with pencil. So it is changing in purple color. So which component is present in it? Hey, you're wrong. Carbohydrate is wrong because we are not taking iodine. Here we are taking sodium hydroxide and copper sulfate. It is changing the purple color. Now you can say egg component have which components? Egg have which components? So loudly. Proteins. So it's changing into purple, ma?
Yes, madam.
Here also. Okay, you can take more egg white, then it is changing. So here 2 stir it. So for testing fats, we are doing the experiment. Now it is a A4 sheet, it is a opaque. You cannot see my face or my finger, back side my finger. So because it is a opaque paper. So now you can pour oil in it. When you add the oil, it convert into translucent paper because it allows partially lights. That's why you can say it is a translucent. So oils make the opaque object into translucent. Now you can see my finger. So you can see my finger?
Yes, madam.
Okay, it is. Now we can say oils have fat. Oils have fat. ఇది ఎవరు కాడ ల్యాబ్లో పెట్టమన్నా సాయంత్రం పెట్టుకురాము. ఏంది చేసి వేలు పెట్టువే.